How to unfollow everybody on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unfollow all at once on Twitter app. Now, unfortunately, there is no any option to do so on the Twitter app itself. Twitter doesn't have an option where you can unfollow everybody at once on its app, and unfortunately there is no any other way around. However, if you want to try some third-party websites, I wouldn't recommend you doing so because it might be a bigger risk or a greater risk for your account, as it might get banned or blocked by Twitter due to the security protocols of the app. However, if you want to try them out, what you can do is head into Play Store, and on Play Store search in for Unfollow Today. Now once you search in, you'll get this app called Unfollow Today. I won't show you here, but what you can do is install this app right here and then head into the app and log into your account, and there you'll get an option to unfollow everybody at once. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.